That's a difficult question because there are a lot of parameters how you can become a professional athlete. You have to have talent to some degree, but after this the most important thing is effort and hard work and dedication and actually focusing on goals and being relentless. Always bouncing back from mistakes, but if I'm not a good player, what do? I would look for a semi-professional player in League of Legends in the same position I play. I would watch Twitch. I would see games from him, because you don't want to look at what the pro athletes are doing because you're way too far away. So you have to do little steps. So for in-game I would watch what the semi-pros are doing, and then I would think about, okay, the day has 24 hours. So I play around 8 to 10 hours. Then I sleep 8 to 10 hours. Okay, how can I get my sleep better? I might get a book, I might listen to podcasts, I might want to hear what other professionals say about sleep, the same about physical activity. What are the benefits for me actually? What can I get out of this? What are other people doing? And also the mental aspect. What are good books? Who is a person who is in this area right now? Can I learn something from his posts in social media? Is there some interesting documentary? So actually try to dig as much information possible and try to apply it, and always looking at the goal and what's next. Having realistic but high achieving goals to make sure you can keep up and you also see some motivation, because if you don't want to do it, then you shouldn't do it, because if you just want to be a professional athlete and make money, that's one thing, but I think the people who actually have the passion and put passion combined with structure, they can really have a good shot in becoming a professional level gamer.